back to our kitchen. Let me introduce my daughter Hayley.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be cooking a very delicious homemade family pizza. Very interesting, very tasty, and basically it uses up what we've got in our fridge, doesn't it? So without further ado, let's crack on. So let's take a quick look at our ingredients. These are just a few ingredients that we've rustled up out of our fridge. We've got a lovely selection of mixed meats here. We've got some olives, now they're stuffed with pimentos. We're going to need some tomato paste. I found a couple of mushrooms, I'm going to slice those up. Actually they were going to be partly cooked before I use them so they're not dry. Some basil leaves, some mozzarella cheese, some cheddar cheese, and to finish off we have some anchovies and some red pepper that's been chopped up. We'll make a start by making a very easy pizza dough, and these are the ingredients. 150 grams of plain white bread flour, 150 grams of 00 flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 59 ml of warm milk, 260 ml of water, and a half teaspoon of yeast. To make the dough, we get a large mixing bowl. In there we can go with our 2 flours, totaling 300 grams. Then it's in with the salt, in with the yeast, in with the cooking oil, in with the milk, in with the water, and then we start to mix. Get it all together, knead it until it cleans the bowl if you like. Then we get a board out, pop on a bit of flour, and knead the dough until it gets into a nice ball. Pop that in a bowl, cover it with cling film, and we're going to leave that to rise for about an hour until you've got a lovely dough like this. Then all we've got to do is roll it out. Once our pastry has been rolled out to appropriate shape, we're going to cover it with plenty of tomato paste. Now, please take note, I put the pastry on top of some kitchen paper, some non-stick kitchen paper, I should say, because it's going to go onto a pizza stone in the oven, and I've cut it to the appropriate shape so it fits on the pizza stone perfectly. I've done this many times before, it makes life so much easier. And you can't beat a good pizza stone. Then some cheddar cheese, plenty of cheddar cheese. Of course you can use whatever cheese you want, but you know, this is one of the favourites in our house, so on that goes a good healthy sprinkling. Then we can put on our mixed meats. We've cut these mixed meats up into quarters, each piece into a quarter, and we're going to spread them about. Then we're going to follow this with all the other ingredients until we end up with a picture on a pizza. Then it's off to the pizza stone in the oven, gas mark 7, for about 20 minutes and definitely preheated. Then this is what you get. Well, doesn't that look delicious? I think we're going to cut a slice of that and definitely go for a taste test. So here we have a delicious pizza.
Really tasty.
Very, very nice. I think we'll be doing this again. Very easy, cheap, economical. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again next time. Don't forget to give us a subscribe, like and a share. Bye for now.
Bye.